Have you ever found yourself clicking by now before you even realized why? That sudden spark is more than just a whim. It is a complex dance of neurobiology and clever marketing designed to bypass your logical mind and trigger an immediate reaction. Today, we dive into the psychology of impulse spending, exploring why we do it and how we can regain control of our wallets. At the heart of every impulse purchase is a tiny chemical messenger called dopamine. It is often misunderstood as the pleasure chemical. In reality, dopamine is released during the anticipation of a reward. It's the thrill of the hunt, not necessarily the prize itself. When you see something you want, your brain's reward center lights up, creating a surge of excitement that demands action. This chemical rush can be so strong that it temporarily shuts down the prefrontal cortex, the part of the brain responsible for rational thinking. That's why you might buy a luxury watch or a fancy kitchen gadget and only realize 10 minutes later that you didn't need it. Marketers know this biology well. They use specific triggers to ensure that dopamine keeps flowing and the buy button keeps clicking. The first major trigger is scarcity. When we believe an item is in short supply, our brain perceives it as more valuable. Then there is social proof. We are social creatures, and seeing hundreds of likes or positive reviews validates our desire to buy. Fear of missing out, or FOMO, is another powerful driver. We don't want to be the only ones left behind when everyone else is participating. Physical environment plays a huge role too. Retail stores are carefully designed with bright lighting and soothing music to keep you comfortable. The layout often leads you through a maze of products, increasing the chances of you seeing something you didn't intend to purchase. But it's not just the stores. Our own internal emotions are often the biggest culprits of unplanned spending. When we are stressed, bored, or lonely, we often turn to retail therapy as a quick fix to change our mood. The temporary high of a new purchase masks the underlying stress, but the effect is fleeting. Once the excitement of the purchase wears off, we are often left with buyer's remorse, a feeling of regret or guilt. The cycle then repeats. We feel bad about spending, so we seek another dopamine hit to feel better, leading to more clutter and debt. So, how do we break the cycle? The most effective strategy is the 24-hour rule. When you feel that urgent need to buy something, commit to waiting exactly one full day before finalizing the transaction. This time allows the dopamine surge to subside and gives your logical brain the chance to catch up and evaluate the necessity. Ask yourself, do I really need this? Or how will this purchase improve my life a month from now? Unsubscribing from marketing emails and removing safe credit card information from browsers can also create helpful friction. By adding extra steps to the buying process, you give yourself more opportunities to change your mind. Understanding the psychology behind your spending habits is the first step toward financial mindfulness. Remember, the best things in life aren't things. Focus on experiences and connections that offer lasting fulfillment. Next time you feel that spark of an impulse, take a breath, wait a day, and choose to spend with intention. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more insights into psychology and self-improvement.